The 10 deadliest animals. Number 10. The hippopotamus kills 500 people a year. Weighing up to 3.5 tons and with slicing teeth, when roused, hippos can sprint towards their enemies at 20 miles an hour. People living in rural Africa are most at risk, with many attacks caused when females feel their young are under threat. Number 9. The tapeworm kills 1,200 people a year. Often consumed when eating undercooked meat, tiny tapeworms can cause cysticercosis. Often found in pigs, tapeworm eggs enter the body on pork products before hatching. Larvae then travel through the body, infecting the central nervous system. One of the most common causes of epilepsy in developing countries, the disease can result in blindness, seizures, and dementia. Number 8. The scorpion kills 3,250 people a year. With 50 varieties of scorpions posing a threat to humans, an estimated 1.2 million people receive stings each year, with over 3,000 dying from the arachnid's deadly punch. Symptoms including convulsions and frothing at the mouth can occur just 4 minutes after being stung. One of the most deadly scorpions on Earth is the Arabian fat-tailed scorpion, whose victims can die within just 7 hours if untreated. Number 7. The assassin bug kills 13,000 people a year. The so-called kissing bug attacks humans while they sleep, sucking blood from the face before leaving feces near the wound. Parasites left behind get into the wound, travelling to the heart, where they slowly damage it for up to 20 years. The fourth biggest killer in Latin America, 30% of people infected with so-called Chagas disease will eventually develop heart disease, potentially resulting in cardiac arrest. Number 6. The tsetse fly kills 30,000 people a year. Found solely in Africa, the tsetse fly leaves behind a parasite that infects its host with sleeping sickness. The disease triggers a series of feverish symptoms until the parasite invades the central nervous system. Sufferers become confused, often struggling to walk and talk. Attacking the brain and other vital organs, the parasites cause mental impairments, comas, and heart failure. Number 5. The dog kills 54,450 people a year. Despite high-profile news reports of dogs mauling people to death, the most common cause of dog-related deaths is through the spread of rabies. Once in the body, the virus makes its way to the spinal cord and brain. Victims are prone to aggressive behavior, becoming sensitive to light, and develop a phobia of water. The virus eventually kills through excitotoxicity, killing the nerve cells by overstimulating neurotransmitters. This process can lead to traumatic brain injury and strokes. 99% of rabies cases are caused by dog bites. Number 4. The roundworm kills 60,000 people a year. Entering the body through contaminated food, drink and soil, roundworms cause the illness ascariasis. The worms move around the body, living in the intestines, the throat and gut. Victims often don't realize they are infected until they see the worms moving in their feces or vomit. Causing a huge loss in appetite, many victims die from undernourishment. Alternatively, a mass of worms can collect in the intestines, puncturing the organ and triggering a huge hemorrhage. Number 3. Snakes kill 100,000 people a year. Around 5 million people are bitten by a snake each year, with 100,000 of these proving fatal, and up to 300,000 bites leading to amputations and disabilities. The venom can cause death in a number of ways, from paralyzing the respiratory system to disrupting the blood system, resulting in fatal hemorrhages. However, many snake-related deaths, particularly those in developing countries, go unreported, with many unable to seek medical help. In parts of Africa, one vial of antivenom can cost the equivalent of several months' income. Number 2. The freshwater snail kills 200,000 people a year. Nicknamed snail fever, schistosomiasis is a disease carried by freshwater snails. Humans are infected by the illness when larvae that live on the snail shells enter their bodies while they swim in contaminated water. The outcome of an infection can vary dramatically. While some parasites tear the bladder of their victims, leading to bladder cancer, others tear the abdomen, leading to colossal bleeding. However, the most common causes of death are kidney failure and excessively vomiting blood. Number 1. Mosquitoes kill 755,000 people a year. Having already killed half the people who ever lived, the malaria virus is spread through the mosquito's deadly bite. Infected mosquitoes pierce human skin to suck their blood, smothering the wound in parasite-ridden saliva. These parasites invade the liver and bloodstream, destroying oxygen-carrying cells, thus preventing normal bodily functions. Victims become feverish, their brains swell, and they slip into convulsions and comas. Half of the world's population is at risk of dying from a mosquito bite, with one child killed every 60 seconds.
Hi All Time Tens family, thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. And make sure you never miss an All Time Tens video again by turning on the automatic notifications feature. Simply click on the cog icon just under the title of any All Time Tens video and tick the send me updates box. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time.